Hey, are you looking for an open source free artificial intelligence meeting assistant? If you are, in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can download and install Meetily, artificial intelligence free meeting assistant. Now, at the time of this video creation, they have a professional version that if you browse to Meetily.com, Meetily.ai, then you can download if you click on the download button. But that's the professional version. They have a free 14-day trial. However, they have an open source version that you can download and host yourself, install yourself. They have a GitHub, github.com, and then the Uniform Resource Locator is highlighted on screen. Zachariah Solutions Meetily. Just look for the Meetily official GitHub and you'll find this page. Or you could pause this video. 3 different operating systems you can install this free open source meeting assistant that uses artificial intelligence. Microsoft Windows. All you have to do is download the latest x64 for 64-bit microprocessors, -setup.exe from the releases page from their official channel, and then run the installer. Apple Macintosh operating system. You're going to download the Meetily at the time of this video creation _0.4.0_AARCH64.dmg. That's just a image file is what that is actually, Apple, from the same releases page. And then you'll just open up the downloaded image file and then drag Meetily to your applications folder and then open Meetily from the applications folder. That's it. Now Linux is a little bit more convoluted, complex. I think the only way you can install it is from source. Alrighty, and I will show you the instructions. On the official Meetily GitHub page, they have instructions on how to install. I'm not going to go over the more convoluted, complex install. If you are experienced with installing software on Linux from source, you can browse to the Meetily github.com official page, and then they have further instructions that are more convoluted, complex for more custom type installation. But in this video, I'm just going to stick with the quick start, which they recommend for beginners. But I've installed software that the instructions were for beginners. It doesn't really matter. All right. But however, if you've never installed software from source, you probably want to use these instructions. All right. You must have a command line. You must be root, or you could sudo, right? In Linux, they have different instructions for the distribution. If you're using Debian derivation distributions such as Ubuntu, Lubuntu, Kubuntu, etc. ad nauseum and infinitum, you would apt space update. That just updates the package manager. And then in order to install, you just type in apt space install space build dash essential under space cmake space git. Now you could just log in as a root account and then you wouldn't need to use sudo. Sudo is if you don't log in with the root account, but then you give yourself sudo super user privileges and it asks for a password. All right. Fedora, Red Hat, Incorporated Linux, which is what Fedora is based upon. All right. Sudo space dnf space install space gcc -c++ space cmake space git. Arch Linux, that's another type of Linux operating system. Sudo space pacman. So you're using pacman, which is a package manager, hence that word pacman most likely. No, it's not the video game. I don't know. Maybe the creator named it after the old school arcade video game that wasn't just available at arcades. Anyways, I digress back to this video. Space minus capital S, case sensitive, space base dash devel, space cmake, space git, and then you're going to build and then run it. right? You just installed the dependencies. Now you're going to build and run. Now this is development mode with hot reload. And then you just type in /dev-gpu.sh. That just starts the script. That's what it does. That's a way to start that shell script. Now production build. So if you want to just build and run the development mode, that's the first command. The second command is if you actually want to use it for production. /build-gpu.sh. That's it. That's how you start the install script. Hopefully you don't receive any error messages or anything. And then it says the scripts automatically detect your graphics processing unit and it will configure acceleration. And then you should be able to open up Meetily on Linux operating system. That was this video pertaining to this free open source standalone. You could download it, install it on your own operating system. They also have a professional version. If you browse to Meetily.ai, click on the download button. You'll be able to download the professional version with a 14-day trial, and then they start charging you the Skrilla. That was this video pertaining to how to download and install Meetily Artificial Intelligence Free Meeting Assistant. Adios!